Hello, my name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at the new trade-in, a 350 Sundancer, a 2016. Start with the transom area and you'll notice we have an extended swim platform, gourmet space aft. You got some nice storage drawers built in underneath. Shore power, you have twin 30 amp, comes out of the port side locker here. Moving into the cockpit area, you can look up and see this boat is equipped with track vision, satellite TV. Also has the optional sunshade for push button shade that shades the entire cockpit area. Nice large table, wraparound seating here. On the starboard side, we have refrigerator and great storage here. The optional cockpit TV. Moving up to the helm area, you'll notice you got a nice large Raymarine screen which gives you the chart plotter. You also have the joystick control which comes with Skyhook, the Axios control. Autopilot is built into that. You'll notice you also have nice isinglass all the way around. A little sunroof hatch here, let in some fresh air. And a swivel helm seat that moves around. Now that we're in the cabin of the 35 Sundancer, you can see how nice the galley is aft, where you have a second refrigerator, nice cooktop microwave. On the starboard side, notice you have a nice dining table that does remove and convert to another berth. Large forward V berth. And on the port side, you have opposed seating with storage underneath. Large LG TV go along with that satellite television. On the port side, we have nice head and shower. Teak steps, teak countertop, vacuum flush head. Aft, you have two bunks that do convert and slide together to make another full-size bed, as well as a little seating area aft. This boat's also equipped with central vac. Nice teak steps leading up to the cockpit. Thank you for taking a look at the 2016 350 Sundancer. If you'd like to see this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas. You can reach me at 910-200-9636. Thank you.